What's up, people? Just got off work and I got one of my favorite smaller EDC knives here, the Urban EDC F5.5, and even though it's small, it's bigger than it looks and it fills the hand nicely. That's what she said. Oh my gosh, sorry for the immature joke, but I couldn't help myself. Anyway, this guy is awesome, great ergos. The only downside, not the best trick knife, just a little short and stubby. Oh, again, that's what she said. I'm sorry, that's it. Wait. Now that's it. Have a good night.